Knowledge of your credit report. Your credit report is important because lenders use it to make important decisions when it comes to loaning you money for a new car or home. Credit reports are made up of many components that come together to give companies a picture of your financial history as well as present activity. Information that makes up your credit report includes personal identifying information. This includes your name, address, current and previous, social security number, telephone number, birth date, your current and previous employers. Your spouse's name may be included as well, depending on the version of the report. Credit history. This section includes your bill paying history with banks, retail stores, finance companies, mortgage companies, and others who have granted you credit. It consists of information about each account you have, such as when it was opened, what type of account it is, how much credit it includes, or the amount of the loan, your monthly payment, etc. If you've closed the account or the loan has been paid off, then that information will appear as well. Missed or late payments are also shown in this section. Public records. Information that might indicate your creditworthiness, such as tax liens, court judgments and bankruptcies. This information is readily available from public authorities such as state and local governments. Report inquiries. This section includes all credit grantors that were authorized to view and access your credit report. In addition, lists of companies that have received your name and address in order to offer you credit are included. These companies don't actually see your report, but they can obtain your name and contact information if you meet their criteria for an offer of credit, insurance or other product. This is how pre-approved credit card offers are generated. Dispute statements. The report may also include any statements you've made disputing information in your credit history. Most credit bureaus allow both the consumer and the creditors to make statements explain their positions if there is a dispute about items on a report. Things that don't appear on most credit reports include bank account balances, race, religion, health, although medical bills may show up as debts, criminal records, income, driving or accords. There are different versions of credit reports available, depending upon the requester. The consumer version includes all of the above information, as well as a listing of all inquiries for the report. The business version includes all of the above information, but only the inquiries made by companies with a permissible purpose. This usually means someone with whom you have initiated business. You've probably also heard the term credit score. Don't confuse your credit score with your credit report. Credit scores are based on formulas that use the information in your report, but they are not a part of your report. The Fair Isaac Corporation, now FICO, created a proprietary scoring formula that most creditors use, although there are other scoring methods used by other agencies for various purposes. The FICO score essentially boils down all of the information in your credit report to a single 3-digit number. This gives creditors an easier way of making decisions about your creditworthiness. The score can range from 300 to 850, with the higher number indicating a lower credit risk. According to MeFICO.com, 90% of the largest banks in today's market use consumers' FICO scores when making decisions to lend credit. Therefore, it is important for you to maintain your credit to the best of your ability because it can have a big impact on your financial future.